Welcome to another DIY solar update. Since my last video, my beloved 2012 red Nissan Leaf got wrecked. So with the insurance money, I upgraded to a 2015 Nissan Leaf that has the heat pump heater, also a 12 out of 12 bar battery, and it's just about perfect besides being gray. It wouldn't charge up when I first bought it, so it needed a new power distribution unit installed, which I got from a junkyard. Also, I got a job at First Solar instead of my previous employer, so my commute is only a few miles each way, so there's not really a range limitation anymore. But the purpose of this video is to talk about my recently upgraded solar porch. So I replaced all of the 300 watt 72 cell polycrystalline solar panels that I had, and in their place I installed 450 watt single-sided bifacial monocrystalline PERC solar panels. These are a little bit bigger, so they hang over the edge of the porch a little bit more, and I had to add 20 inches to the length of the porch because they're a little bit wider too. The ones I had, the Trina solars, 16 of them, I sold them to a guy who's going to take them to Africa to run a water well. He told me that he cannot trust anything he buys in Africa. All the materials there, he says, are fake. I don't know. Anyway, the fact is that I had these installed for 3 years, and that's the proof he needed to buy them. So I sold them like for the same amount I bought them for 3 years ago. So everybody's happy. The new solars are ET Solar 450 watt bifacial ones. I got them from Santan Solar. The shipped price was $183 each. I got a pallet of 30, and I have 24 installed here. With a maximum rear side power gain, according to the data sheet, it's going to be up to 534 watts per panel. It looks like the data shows that I can collect about 50 kilowatt hours with my DIY off-grid solar panel system right now. So pretty exciting. Happy with the upgrade. These ET Solar guys, it'd be nice if they were double glass like First Solar brand solar panels are, but it looks like it's glass on one side and then like clear vinyl or something on the other side. Whatever. I mean, it's got a good warranty on it. Thanks for watching. Go solar.